Hello everybody, I still ain't got a voice. It's Monday and it's going to be a vlog today. Well, I was watching YouTube videos earlier and one of the videos I watch religiously, so to speak, is like my morning coffee that I don't drink. Adam, which is the vlogging life, he had got comment from a troll and it said to him, why are you selling your life? Meaning, what he does by vlogging is selling his life. Well, he commenced in explaining what you see on camera is one thing, what you see off camera is another thing, which is very true. It did give me a video idea for a comedy sketch. I'm gonna wait till my voice gets better to do this one now. But yeah, it's, you know, it isn't that people vlog to sell their life. He don't have enough subscribers or gets enough view to make any money out of it anyway. And I myself, most people watch me as my close friends. I have very few subscribers. We do this because we enjoy doing it. It's like a hobby to us. And I personally like to do the editing. It's kind of funny selling your life. Alright guys, that warship's supposed to be here till Tuesday. Not sure if we're going to make it over to see that. Right now we're headed to the credit union and we pick it up more when we can. Hey guys, I'm vlogging on location. Now people are really looking at me funny. And she's making sure she don't get into this. But guess where we are? I'll show you. She's much bigger up close, I'm telling you. Much, much bigger. We're going to head over that way, see if we get some more filming in. Until then,
back that way. I wanted to get up earlier today and come down, but...
Well, yesterday we had 4,020 people going through.
Wow.
It's got worse that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, most we can handle almost.
Yeah.
it's big. Definitely big.
How many troops?
Well, on both sides we carried 200 on this side and the crew area, 200 on the other side. Of course, you had 45 in the aft section, crew members. Carried 45 Sherman tanks on there. Each one on the tank weighs 35 tons. And on top deck we carried deuces and a half, jeeps, artillery, ammo. Once the tanks offloaded, they had an elevator to drop those stuff down and offload them. And then load up the wounded and go back to England. They made 24 trips back to England. A lot of history. Built 2,000 of them.
Alright guys, I purposely was quiet back there so you could hear that gentleman talk. It was one of them that actually rode this thing when it was in the war. An elderly guy, awesome guy, totally awesome, so I stayed quiet so you guys can hear what he had to say. Very busy road too. What you think, Ange?
It's interesting.
We was going to take a tour, but I don't know. We're undecided. Undecided. I think it's something like $10 per person, and honestly, I don't know if my back's going to be able to handle all that. It's already hurting now. Stupid weather. He was telling us this thing would cruise about 8 knots. It was cruising 8 to 10 knots down the Ohio River. It was passing the barges on by. It's big. It's funny because when we first seen this, it didn't look all that big. Well, once you get right up to it, it's huge. I could zoom into something. Okay, I zoom in right over here. Try to hold it steady. We're going to zoom right up to there. I can even get closer than that. She sure is big, guys. Alright, we're going to try to cross this while we can. Oh, it looks like we might be able to do it here in a minute. Get more in a little bit.
Darn it, I missed
Just
it.
keep it going, keep it going. Might have to cough too. I hear he went down to the creek.
Yeah. It's okay, I got the building.
Alright guys, as you see, we tried to get a deer on here, but failed attempt. It was a buck.
Heck on it.
We're driving through one of the places that relaxes my wife and I. Yes, we're morbid. We like to go through graveyards.
I'll film a little.
Yeah. You guys kind of remember back that way is where the old bridge is. We got that on video many times.
The soldiers.
Yeah, we like to kind of go through the graveyard quite a bit. It relaxes me. I love graveyards.
There's a funeral procession coming in. Nope,
Nope.
it's not.
Yeah,
That was the
ready to
road.
have a funeral here. So we've seen the plot already. So we're wondering if we're going to run into it before we get out of here. Don't know. Alright, we'll probably videotape more after a while. Alright guys, we're back home now. Yep, I want to show y'all something. We had a ton of rain last night, and look at this. It's one of the containers I use when I wash my walls. I like to keep the water in this, and I left it outside until, you know, I was going to clean it. It's full of water. That's about 5 inches of water right there. That all came down last night. Every bit of it. All 5 inches. Whew. What a mess. But anyway, I'll go ahead and close the log on out now. The deer we tried to get, yeah, through the graveyard, was a little late getting a hold of the camera, so I did get a lot of footage of the warship. Alright y'all, I'm going to go ahead and try the jump cut on my closing again, see if I can get it better than I did last night. Alright, here we go. If you like today's video, hit that like button. It lets me know that I'm doing something right. If you got any comments, or if you want to make fun of my long white beard, leave them down below. I answer all my comments. I'm just slow at it. If you're brand new to watching my channel, subscribe to me. Sometimes I have okay videos. I think today might have been one of them times. That warship was awesome. Until next time, guys. Peace.